Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Happy Valentine's Cinnamoroll. So let's get started. To draw this cute Cinnamoroll, let's first start by drawing an oval for his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start. And I'm just going to try to do it lightly because his eyes are kind of this blue color. There. And then I'm going to come across nice and wide. So let's say about right here. We're going to draw another oval. Oops. Now I've made a mess trying to be light. But nothing I can't fix on the computer, right? Okay, so now that my two ovals in, I'm going to come in between the ovals and draw the mouth. So right about here, I'm going to draw this little curve that comes in, and we're going to straighten it out and then come right back. So kind of like this little hook of a shape. And then at the bottom of this, we're going to draw a big, deep curve for a very happy Cinnamoroll. There. Okay. Let's make it a little bit deeper. There. Then from there we need to frame the face, which is kind of like this dumpling, my usual dumpling shape. So I'm going to come to the top of my eye and come out, say about this much. Give myself a point, and same thing over here, just like the other side. From there, I'm going to use this as my guide, and I'm going to draw this curve. So about right here, I'm going to come out. It's going to be a little bit wider for the cheek area, and then come in. So just kind of following where the eyes are, about right there. Bring it in. Then I'm going to just find my center, and let's say about here. Just kind of imagine how low you want the bottom to be, and I'll say about right here. Just give myself a point. This just makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing kind of big. But if you're drawing small at home, you probably don't need these points. So now I'm just going to head towards my point, but it always helps if you want to be a little bit more accurate. Okay, so now that I have this curve in, then we can go ahead and I'm just going to bring this up a little bit more. Same thing here. And then I'm going to skip a little bit of space and then come and then continue. So same thing here. Skip a little bit of space and continue. So then we're going to draw this curve that gets a little bit narrower at the top. So let's say about right here. I'm going to bring it in and come right back down to this point. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's see, we need to draw the cute ears. So I'm going to come to say about right here, and I'm going to curve out and draw these floppy cute ears. Curve in a little bit, and then we're going to come out nice and full and bring it in to about right there. And so same thing on the other side, and you can always mix it up. The ears don't have to be exactly flopping the same way. You can make this one go higher, lower. It's all up to you. Just have fun with these ears. So about right here, I'm just gonna flop one about here, just approximate same length as the other one, and bring it in. And it definitely helps that I've been drawing Cinnamoroll for so long. I've just gotten a lot more comfortable drawing the ears. So definitely keep practicing if you love Cinnamoroll. Okay, so now that with the two ears in, I'm gonna come back in here real quick and just darken my lines for the face. Now that I have everything set, and I know that's where I want my lines to be. So that's the tip sometimes when you're drawing with a Sharpie. You can just kind of go in there lightly and sketch with it a little bit and then come back in to finalize the lines. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come to the top right here, and I'm going to draw this little band in between the ears. So I come up and pop out this little band right in between. And then I thought it'd be really cute to put some hearts right here since it's for Valentine's. So I'm going to come up straight, and let's say about right here. We're just going to draw a center, just this big heart that just pops right into the center. I really hope this drawing inspires you. And of course you can make your band however you like, but I'm going to add a smaller one right here. Just pop it in. And one here. So we just change the angle about right here. And here, just going to set it right in. Then whatever space we have left, maybe just draw a circle to decorate it, just so we can finish it up. And then maybe another one here. There. Aww. So hopefully you like my little band right there. And then from there, let's draw the body. So I'm going to come down, say maybe the sides of the eye, come down and say about right here. I'm going to skip a little bit of space. And same thing here. Well, actually, you know what? This other hand, I'm going to have to do some erasing. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to come about right here. Sorry about that. I forgot the one hand is up. So I'm just going to draw a curve right there. And then on this side, about right here. So the other part of the body would be here. So I'm going to come about right here, right underneath the eye, and I'll draw this little hand that pops out. So hopefully you're using a pencil, and we need to erase this part right here and bring it in to this little hand that comes right here. And then continue the rest of the body, just like this other side right here. And then on this side, just a little hand, just like this one. We're just going to pop it down and in there. And then in between, right here in the center, I'm going to draw a little circle and then a bow, just to make Cinnamoroll extra cute. There. And then for the body, let's just keep bringing this down. And same thing here. And then let's say about here in the center, just kind of imagine where you want the tummy to be. I'll say about right here. And go ahead in the center and draw a curve. There. And then we can go ahead and draw these little feet. So I'm going to connect everything, bring it down, and connect. So same thing here. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we're done with the body, oh, forgot the tail. So we need to draw a big circle right here for the Cinnamoroll tail. So let's say about right here, let's make it nice and big. Go ahead and draw this big circle and pop it in here. And then about right here, I'm just going to draw a swirl and bring it in. There. And then the last thing we need to draw is the wand that Cinnamoroll is holding. So let's say, just gonna about right here. It's just easier for my hand to come down. So I'm gonna go about right here, and I'm going to come down an angle line straight into Cinnamoroll's hand, about right there. So definitely turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to do to draw this angle. But I'm just going to pop it out right here. And I need to thicken it up to make it look like a wand. So say about there. Fix it up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to go up straight again. Oops, continue going up. And say about right here, I'll give myself a point, and that's where my heart, the center of my heart's going to be, and then I'll just bring it in there. So it just helps me draw my heart, knowing where my center is. And in there. And then I'm going to come in here really quick and erase this part. Thank you, cuties, for all your love for my Cinnamoroll drawings. You keep inspiring me to draw more for you, and I'm just so glad that you love them. Okay, well, if my whiteout pen would work a little bit better. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Cinnamoroll to celebrate Valentine's and love. I really hope I helped you draw fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.